Hi guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, today we are going to talk about and try out Tati Beauty Textured Neutrals Volume 1 eyeshadow palette. So pretty excited. So without further ado, let's go ahead and begin. If you're already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you so very much. And if you are not yet subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos. Alright, so I got the Tati Beauty Textured Neutrals Volume 1 in the mail the other day and I was very excited to try it. I will tell you right now, I have done this eye look and I will show it here, and I have glitter everywhere. It's everywhere. It's in my hair, it's on my clothes, it's on my fingers, it's on my arm. Yes, I've been doing some swatches. I'm reviewing this as a 52-year-old woman with hooded eyes. So for all of my girls out there that are my age or older, will this work for us? Is it a good investment? It's $48. So yeah, is it something that you will use? Or is it, because there's 24 shadows in here, that's a lot, right? I typically like smaller palettes because I don't like half of a palette to be unusable for me. So, is it usable? Well, let's go ahead and get started and figure it out. I thought we would see how it holds up to my hooded 52-year-old eyes. It comes with a sleeve and it's a matte and it says Tati Beauty on it in black. And then when you pull the sleeve off, it says Tati Beauty in gold, well, in like a, yeah, it's a gold. And it says Volume 1 right here. And when you open it up, I'm not going to do swatches. If you want to see swatches, trust me, everybody in the world has done them. But these are the colors. They're gorgeous. What I really like is her innovation in that what she did down here is name each row. And then here along the side is the type. So you have your mattes, your sequins, your metallics, which are like your shimmers, I'm guessing, and then your glitter, and then down here you have your names. So then it goes memory, ritual, story, soothe, aura, poet, and then you just go up and it then depends on the formula. And then it has this really huge mirror, which is really nice. Oh gosh, I just love that. All right, so I thought we'd have some fun today. I thought that we would create, okay, look, I'm not, you know, I am not a beauty guru by any stretch of the imagination. I'm a pretty basic neutral gal, so I love that this is a neutral palette. All right, so let's go ahead and create a look. I mean, these are so beautiful, especially, you know, one thing I say is I wear shimmer every day. I don't care what day of the week it is. So let me go ahead, I'm just gonna pull my hair back, go in with Aura and just the matte Aura. It's a nice, oh, I can use this big mirror. I mean, it's just so, I love that. And I'm just gonna put a nice little base down so it hides any of those little imperfections that we have. In with Soothe and just do a little transition. And I did, you know, I've watched her tutorial on this. I've only watched one, but I don't know if she's done more. And it is very pigmented, so I literally just go in, push down, move out, tap the excess off. And you can see how pigmented that is. It's just beautiful. So you don't need a lot. Go in with Story, and I'm going to go in with the matte. So right now all I've done is matte. I'm going to go in the crease with Story and matte. This is like such a pretty color for fall. Ritual, and I'm gonna go in Sequin. And we're just gonna darken. Now this one, definitely gingerly hand. And I'm gonna just darken that outer V. I'm gonna go in with the metallic up here. So pretty. I'm just taking a clean brush and just bring that out. Okay, now I think what I'm gonna do is take Aurora with a really small brush. Actually, I'm gonna go in with Sequin. The Aurora, and I'm gonna go into the Sequin right here. And I'm just going to brighten the inner corner and hit the below the brow. Go in with Soothe, the glitter. It's here. And I'm literally just gonna pop that. I was totally gonna do a simple eye. How beautiful that is. And I'm gonna take a little flat brush and I am gonna go in with Story and hit the Sequin again and just gently go over the outer portion of my eye here. We're gonna just deepen that V. Aurora, the matte, and ever so gently just gonna pat that glitter down with this color. Let me go ahead and put some eyeliner on. Let me put my mascara on. I'll be right back. We'll do the lower lashes. So I've got my mascara on. Let's go ahead and do the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead in with Ritual. Right here, the matte, and I'm just gonna hit the outer portion of my eye. Story, but I'm gonna go in with the Sequin. Put some mascara on. All right, I'm gonna pop some lips on and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the look that I came up with. Very much in my wheelhouse as far as neutrals go. Guys, so what are my final thoughts on the Tati Beauty Volume 1 palette? Beautiful. Okay, so I have to be as objective as I possibly can, even though I think she's so awesome. Like, I enjoy watching her so much. She has a really great voice that just is so soothing that I could just watch her and she could be talking about anything and I'd just be like so mesmerized. So you know, but I'm here to be real. I pretty much figured that I was gonna really enjoy this palette. I love that she came out with a neutral palette. These colors are gorgeous. Say when you're talking about 24 eyeshadows in a palette, there's always palettes that I'm not going to use a color or 2 colors or 5 colors depending on how big the palette is, and it's a waste. It's why I like smaller palettes. But with this one, there just isn't one that I wouldn't use. These browns are gorgeous. The rusts are beautiful. These purpley colors, mauve colors are, oh, I love mauve. You guys know that. The only reason I didn't go down this, I went more in the middle here, is because I'm wearing green today. But otherwise, I was really drawn here. I'm not gonna lie. Let's just swatch sequin, the purple sequin, because I'm just like, look how pretty that is. Gosh, she needs to make lipstick next, because this would make such a gorgeous lip color. Look at that. That would be so pretty. Anyways, okay, here we go. So the mattes, and I used every single formula, so the mattes blended beautifully. Some are more pigmented than others, but they are very pigmented, but they blend beautifully. They don't get muddy. I love that, because I put Ritual and then I put Story, and you could see where Ritual and Story each are, they're blended nicely together. It just didn't become this, mess, which is wonderful. Sequin is gorgeous. It just gives it that little bit of shimmer. So if you're one of those ladies out there, in my age bracket or older, and you don't quite want glitter, I wouldn't use glitter every single day. That's a great place to start, is something like sequin, because it just has that hint of shimmer. So when you turn just right, you're gonna hit that light. It's gonna be beautiful. The metallics are gorgeous. My only problem, and it's really not a problem, it's an operator failure, is the glitter. It's just, it got everywhere. I'm not gonna lie. Now that's partly my fault. It's probably mostly my fault. I normally, put my little patches on, and then I do my eyes, and then I take those off. I just did my face first, just so that I could just move things along faster. But that would have alleviated 99% of the glitter that I got everywhere. And also a light touch. Boy, I went in with weight, just heavy-handed. No, light touch on the glitter. But I love the sparkle, and I can't wait for my first holiday party, because dang it, I am going to definitely rock some of that glitter. It's gorgeous. So I'm a fan. Very happy for her. I love this. I think that it would work for, it works for my eyes, which are hooded. I've got fine lines, I've got the works. I'm 52. So if it works for my eyes, it will definitely work for your eyes. So if it's something you want to give a try, I absolutely would recommend it. The formula is beautiful. I'm looking at my eyes. I love the sparkle. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And as always, I hope you guys have a great day. Look how beautiful those are. So I will see you very soon. Bye, guys.